Okay, ready for group number activity 2 for module 3. Okay. The bank is now open. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The bank is now closed. The market is now open. Okay, pwede na kayong bumili sa market. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The market is closed. The market is now closed. Okay. Ngayon, ang gagawin ninyo, dahil nakabili na kayo ng materials, you can now build your houses. Ang laki ng house na i-build nyo ay kasing laki ng 1/4 illustration board. 2 size ng ruler. Okay, yung illustration board na kung nakabili na kayo ay base nyo lang yan. Base, bawal siyang gamitin pang dingding at bawal ding pang bubong. Bawal. Pang base lang. Ibig sabihin ng base, tayuan lang siya ng bahay. Tayuan. Okay, kasi yun ang pinaka-pattern ninyo sa laki ng magiging bahay ninyo. So, kailangan yung bahay may bubong, may bintana, may pintuan, kumpleto, at kailangan matibay ang inyong bahay na gagawin. Okay. So, for the second time, alam nyo na yung gagawin ninyo. For the second time, the bank is now open. Okay. Next. The bank is now closed. The market is now open. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The market is now closed. Okay. For the last time, last na to. Dahil pangatlong beses na siyang magbubukas at ito na'y huli na pagbubukas ng bangko, kuhanin nyo ng lahat yung gusto nyong kuhanin sa bangko. Kasi ala kayong ipambibili pagka nag-bankrupt na yan at naubos na yung kanyang pera. Pwedeng kumuha ng pera lahat ng member sa bangko. The bank is now open. Go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The bank is now closed. Okay. The bank is closed. Bank is closed. Tahimik. The market, the last time, for the last time, the market is now open. Bilhin nyo na lahat. Go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The market is closed. Okay, go to your groups now. Okay, leaders, go to your groups now. Pati yung mga leader. Hawakan nyo lang. Okay, pwede na kayong tumulong anak sa inyong mga members. Pwede na kayong tumulong sa inyong mga members. Go. Okay, gawin nyo na yung pinagagawa ko. Darina. Wala nang maingay. Pwede, you may start building your assigned task. Pagandahan, patibayan, palakihan. So, pinaka-base nyo yung illustration board. Base lang yan, base. So, hindi nyo siya pwedeng gamitin pang bubong at pang dingding.